604. Go on and turn to page 563 because I'm not even going to do what Saxon tells us to. Okay? It's just really confusing. Okay? You can look at it and go, what in the world are they saying? Okay? It doesn't really matter. That's why we're not doing it. No, we're going to do the problems. We're not going to do what Saxon's telling us to do. Everybody write this problem that I'm writing up here on your paper. Okay, everybody writes down the what? I don't know. I couldn't make sense of it.
What? I can't make sense of it.
Not yet, no. Okay, so everybody look at this problem that I have on the board.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you some rules to follow when you see, if you're doing plus and minus, if you're doing these negative and positive numbers, adding. Here's what's going to happen. The first thing I want you to do is to put parentheses around each number and its sign. Okay? Do not pay attention to the minuses and the pluses. Okay? This was the problem in the book, and they did not, girls, they did not put one around this, so I'm going to. Okay? All the pluses and the minuses you leave alone for right now. Just put in parentheses around the signed number. Leave the pluses and the minuses alone. That's what we're about to do. Okay, step number 2. Claire is one step ahead of me. We are going to change your minus signs to adding. Okay, change your minus signs to adding. Ow. And then change the sign to the right. Does everybody remember that? Does everybody remember that?
Yes.
I heard one person that remembered that.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. So everybody remember that you cannot minus or subtract signed numbers. These all have to be plus. Does everybody remember that? Did I teach you that?
Yes.
Okay, good. So all your minuses we have to change. So if I change this minus to a plus, what happens to the sign, to the number on the right? It would change to from a negative to a positive, right? Okay? Then I have another minus that needs to change to a plus, and it changes its sign to the right, which a positive would become a negative.
That's sad.
Now, do we have pluses in all of the problem?
Yeah.
That means we've done it right so far. Okay? Now, step number 3 is to simplify from left to right. Simplify from left to right. Okay? We can only work 2 numbers at a time. Okay? So watch what I do. After I'll let y'all write that down first. You do good. Good. Okay. So is everybody ready? Here we go. We're going to go -3 plus a -4. Okay. Oh, I so wish y'all knew those rules. Okay. So if I had a number line, these are going to take a while for you to do with a number line. You can just do it in your head if you know how. You can do it in your head if you want to.
You need
Only when you change the minus to a plus.
need one
Do you
more
change that?
positive.
This one was a minus, Isaac, and so we changed it to a plus, and then we changed that from minus negative apostrophe parentheses. Nope, not unless it has a minus in front of it. The only time you change the sign is if there's a minus. If there's a minus, you change it to a plus, and then change the sign to the right. Does everybody remember that? Okay, so now if I go negative 3, 1, 2, 3, plus another negative 4. Who remembers what negative means? I moved to the left. So I went to the left 1, 2, 3, and they want me to go to the left how many more times? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to come up with those numbers. Negative 7. So the answer to this one is negative 7. Are we done? No. I'm going to bring everything else down. Plus 5 plus negative 2 plus positive 6. And if that helps you to go in and still keep them grouped together, that's completely fine. Okay? Now we continue going from left to right. I answered negative 3 plus negative 4 and got negative 7. I'm done with this part. It's like what? PEMDAS? Yes, but we're already down to plus and minus. So now we just go from left to right. Okay, so now negative 7 plus 5. Well, I'm on negative 7, and they want me to go plus a positive 5. Positives go which way? To the right. 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's my answer?
2.
Negative 2. I answered that one. Bring the rest down. Does everybody understand what we're doing? Okay? So now I'm going to do negative 2 plus a negative 2. So I want to go to negative 2, and then they want me to go another negative 2. Negative means left. 2 more spots. 1, 2. My answer is a negative 4. Answered that one. Bring everything else down. Okay? So now I got negative 4 plus a positive 6. So I'm on negative 4, and then they want me to go plus a positive 6. Positive is to the right, 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My final answer is 2. Took a little bit of time. No, that's equals. If you've got it, do it. If you can do it in your head, do it. If you need to use this still, use this. It's okay. I'm going to teach you it's an easier way, I think. But at this level, you may not be ready for that. So I think you learn about it pretty soon, though. Okay? That is lesson... Uh-oh. What? Oh, dear. I hope that's still recorded.